So the first two terms of the sequence are 125. What's the common ratio? So now this is where the first time we can look at this. The second term is 25. The first term is 100. Do not put the 100 over 25 automatically because the 100 is bigger. The 100 is the first term. This is U2 divided by U1. You have to make sure the term that is further in the sequence gets put on top. All right, so 25 over 100. Now, the other thing that I would suggest you do when you're doing this is put it in a fraction most of the time, because if you get a repeating decimal, that's not helpful. All right, the calculator will automatically just reduce the fraction for you. And that way, I don't have to worry about what happens if it's a repeating decimal. Because a repeating decimal, we cannot round a decimal and then use it as our rate. It's going to mess everything up that we're doing. So then it says find the seventh term. So I got my formula pasted again. So my first term is 100. My rate is 1/4. And then it's going to be 7 minus 1. So it's 100 times 1/4 to 7 minus 1. And it's going to give me a fraction, okay? A lot of times it wants the answer as a fraction. If it doesn't, if it says, decimal or something like that, you can, right? Okay, 25 over 1,024. And like I said, that's a pretty small number. If I do a division just to see what it is, it's that very, very small number, okay? If you're going to do a decimal, make sure that you use 3 significant figures, all right? But the numbers will get very large very quickly and very small very quickly. So be on the lookout for that and don't just say, that's too small, it's got to be something else, and then redo it a different